God, for fuck's sake. Fucking TV won't even fucking work. Fuck. This fucking shit. Fucking TV won't even fucking work. Dad, I don't think that's gonna fix the TV by you smacking on the remote like that, okay? Oh yeah? Well, hey, smart guy. Since you're so frickin' smart, why don't you go back there and fix the fucking TV, eh? Great. Now I have to fix the TV. You fix the TV! Fix the TV! Why don't you get there, smart ass? Well, I know hitting the remote ain't gonna fix the freaking TV! God, what does my dad think I am, a TV repairman? Jesus Christ, like, oh my God! It wasn't even plugged in! What the frick, man? My God! Wow, good job, son. You fixed the TV. Yeah? Well, maybe, just maybe, if you made sure it was plugged in, then there'd be no problems. Sheesh.